Hola photography practitioners, I'm Andres Perez de San Antonio. Now if you've never set up a softbox before, keep watching because this is a step-by-step video guide. I'll be using the Godox Softbox. Now whether you have a 24 or 32 inch, does not matter. This video is for you. Now when you order your Godox Softbox, it's all going to come together in this neat carrying case. So it's very easy to carry around. Now inside, you're going to find another carrying case. You're also going to find some diffusion material, definitely going to want that. And you're going to find an S bracket in there. Now you may already have one, but there's an extra one just in case. There's also some instructional stuff, but you know. Now in that second carrying case, you're going to find the actual softbox itself. Be careful, make sure you have plenty of room because once you take it out, it's going to open. And it's going to look like a triangle like this. Now all you got to do is open it and then pull it open so that you can get it into a square shape. Now you're going to notice mine already has one diffusion material in there. I already opened all this, so I already put it on. But I'm going to show you how to put this one on itself because yours isn't going to have it ready. Now it can be kind of tough to do this, so I'm not going to take the whole thing apart. I'm just going to do one corner. So there's going to be these hooks that you're going to have to put onto the other loops. They are kind of strong, so you are going to have to push it down near the opening. And it's pretty straightforward, but there is a little trick to make it even easier. So as I mentioned, go ahead and hold it next to the opening as close as you can get without covering it. Now that other loop, you're going to want to stretch it out as much as you can. When you do this, it'll be a lot easier to hook it through. Then just go ahead and do that for all four corners. Okay, so now it's time to put on the second layer of diffusion. Now you'll notice that this is made out of Velcro material. So really, all you have to do is just stick it on. You have Velcro material all around the softbox. Just do it on all four sides. Make sure it's stretched out. Okay, so now it's time to talk about how to install the S bracket. So it's going to go back here. This is the S bracket. This is the front of it. You kind of see it's flat off. And then this is the back. So the front is going to go in here. Now these do open up. They have a little bit of give. So just go ahead and put it in. Just slide it into one of the sides and the top. And then open one of the flaps for the side and do the bottom last. Now it's gonna be the most difficult, but just muscle it through and you got it. Now once it's on there, it's gonna be on there tight, so that's gonna be a good thing. Then just go ahead and loosen up your bracket so we can install our speedlight. Now we want to go ahead and install our softbox, so just put it in on your light stand and tighten it because otherwise the wind may blow it away. And then just angle it the way you want it and tighten it into place with the lever. I do recommend you pre-tighten it a little bit before you put in the S bracket because otherwise it's not going to give you enough movement to fix it correctly afterwards. You'll have to take it all out. Now as for the speedlight, all you really have to do is just slide it into the bracket and tighten it into place. Just make sure it's secure, that way it doesn't slip out. But really that's probably the simplest part to it. Now just for reference, I'm using the 32 inch softbox, so this is going to give you very soft light, especially the closer you get it to your subject. Now putting it together is one thing, but taking it apart, completely different story. Actually, it is very easy to do once you know the trick. Otherwise, it can get very frustrating. So watch this video so I can show you how to put it back neatly into its original carrying case.